This clip demonstrates how to buy shares of NN.NV, a Dutch insurance and asset management company. It trades on Euronext under the ticker NN.NV, and this is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To buy NN.NV, you need a brokerage account. I use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before purchasing. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker NN.NV. Then select the NN.NV listing on Euronext to locate the correct share. On the stock page, review the company overview and the price chart to confirm you are viewing NN.NV on Euronext with ticker NN.NV. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, your order may be pending until the next open. And if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. Once the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. For reference, the eToro link is provided in the description.